Mother Uncle Afro be any no ho, woman so man qualifying in a row, will be on some let him say your coach money anymore. Won't go as a point of brim and a debt and also I try some money and some Aquasha archers and no, and so I am matches are also bustle. Now Ukaya Yadaba two Jamaica come say, Yabina Bokina, Omutimo, woman some day timber, come qualifying Tampa. Now Wabakina for so qualifier, woman let him say Afcon, I was a busway, woman some number to me, I could be enough. I am Bokina. About your presence, and maybe a Chamobanya arrested Bonsenum and a Jonathan. I have patrol Panum and a Chasomwa, Wamusum Aka Omina Yajumaden, and some Madame Bokina. Na Jaminian say, and Ra, yes, sir, boys, and so Koshia, a moment penny, na Mampani, a Kobasa Bokina Foy, and some Okoshan, I so Janino, His Excellency Ibrahim Traore Massa, where you better put out why would you not Freddy ever come back? I one just a cool. Of course, one no, and some nobody Kunyasu and a man force out Bonabasu Pasomwa. No more Juma, our bomb Serbia ministers and Serbia MPs in the South Foreign. What Obia salary so I just and what you Omoya Juma, I just Omia several servants in Wamusum Nasi Kasama Pajawa Bra, the ordinary Ayopokina Fasoni, and some salary Akosro, one Casa and Ajoso, one Nisi Casabia, president in T. Mama said, Debbie, Nisika, what our branches will know, and some Maya Sojani, and one word judge say, Ninani and Yuma Abatibokina Hotie, and also Maya Demino Casino, boys in Okoshian way, and some Maya Momenta, when we present Omu JC, and some Anima Ura, one of your friends are Ibrahim, Traore, I just away, I am Yaka's autograph, I'm some boys, will be on some pandemic signature, will be on some other so one of the message can be counted. And some narrative our brand, one some presentation, Amana, and no matter from Amaswaya, and some matter about Onsamino, yet the Emma yet for another pay, and some other shows on some player. Your father said, Nema Dasero Junior, when you be a MC a pra, and I just a Debiano Kanema Sama, and not for some other disqualified no, Nanka El Kobasa, Mamibi, and some other persona, yet Pisaso, yes, in the Mama Mutimuma, no, you are quite to Jabba last week. Ahano or Omutimono and your hospital. Anoma Demete will be our temporary Banabasa, Nankane manager and Nasua. Women Yasabi on the name and some other Ebediagro. Now, Jamina Saplia, your father said Kalidu Kuli Bali. Now, Kuli Bali will not send a message and some other Nema. Now, Kuli Bali say, Nema no Ayobia, but me I can say, Nema Tessa magician. Yakasa Nema or Tessa illusionist or more. Yakasa be at the tomato crofasa. Now, someone among you kuna a Manchester, you must see Omwa, Wamusum Conjo, Manchekino, Sana Kulibali say, name a Subaino, and some city. Now, Dibi also Kulibali Ayabia, and some Amanema Hotel Sarabea, one also 100% fake. I know, I bet me I'm a name up on a ball, and some Amahilal Biano, one also Abaya Amakotana, your father said, name I know, and some John and also upon a bono, and some Adiamo Maya, your father said, no, some Aya Prosonampo, was up our club side Yamatima, and no some Aya Hilal Arches and Opino, and no update to Abba on him say, and open the stories look at by, and no Arches all time, and Mutia was Alpha. And he said, yeah, Joe Courage, any kind of cornerstone. I know, when we consider that down, sir, one of the greatest of all time. Never I say, yeah, I do a bias amount for other some Bellator, I had Grand Slams and I had Joe Courage, as I the Olympic gold medal, and somebody else was one to pay, make us a Davis Cup about a year, and somebody must pay, and my number came, and about 2,000 weeks ago, and I made the announcement about so what to say, when we had Davis Cup, and I know, and some other to tribute to the ebi ababa na we aya kwadana fansa Carlos Alcaraz ono enso mataki to the Twitter and on the social media handles no so nay your friend X unim sa Alcaraz ensam no e wa ne tintiri tiachane nyina sa enam oda ayena dalase essence ayena daladahoma and mo no Carlos Alcaraz abadane aye professional tennis player ebiem ensom arisa ono wo so wanyini bani nyina no na omo hwe Nadal eso na de bo tennis esanse Nadal and idol na the moment be ani pa bi asom ayani a ye kan say wo idol no I was say ne nantia ne ye ne chase ne dwumadi a wo diri nyina asom usua na Jose obaso wo tu kan say and o kase bi obi asom ay ambassador I just want eternal legacy asom arma sport I know asom ay tennis a obi anu obetimi akase bi obi aja ne kan say eternal legacy area chen Nadal I know aye sema kodane fans akaras no wono som marutuka na Nadal inner circle ya kesen inner circle omo brain pa womo som family team no bakom aye Rudy Fernandez ebiam aye Mark Lopez ebiam asom aye Carlos Costa and just Angel aye Rus aye Kotoro womo nyina no asom ade omo janaba womo do mo tribute abanano pesede meri kan batu twase obenya Rodri wono aye Ballon d'Or winner ebiam aye Andres Iniesta nom asom ane Raul Gonzalez Blanco wobenya Serena Williams mo afei wobenya owura just wono so gina mo a ye fa say Roger Federer and the Murray nom ane chese Novak Djokovic omo nyina no asom ade omo dia ye kan say respect by way asom ane ye kan say retirement tribute video and I just omo ye adimo owura fa say Nadal e ma opani no asom get emotional yem kwenim kakra be na afei yentie said ye nom so esikoi
to get better, to improve, to basically play like you.
The passion and intensity that he played with was something that I think all tennis players aspire to, and what all tennis fans will then be for. It's been incredible watching you.
Oh, that is out of the stratosphere.
Your tenacity, your fighting spirit, the energy that you brought, the power is something that will be studied and is something that will be transferred to many, many generations that are coming up. I've been very honored and thrilled to be called your rival. The tennis world and the sports world will miss the incredible energy that you brought on the court. There is so much to embrace, so much to celebrate.
Hi, Rafa. I've been very lucky to see you grow as a tennis player and a person. I want to congratulate you, of course, in all of your victories in your career. Very, very special.
Congratulations on the most incredible career. It was such a privilege to play with you, but especially also against you. Some of my favorite memories with you, Rafa.
Yes, na chese omo anan komo ye ne kan say opponent our court no so and which omo nyina graduate ya baba dan me a ye kan say na wofo na hotel say Roger Federer no wono so adene de kakra ba fa wote say na wajuka we chese any day and wa so no ebetimi ya kase bia na chese Nadal and rival and so our court no so ani nyina no and so my tribute and messages out wa womo so no we fa say Nadal amasansam ni nyina no ye de ema ye tefo enano pay and some our shows on him, sir. Menu Casa say a young romance or winter answer. And Drew a Germany. Zero planets and a mountains for Dominiano. And it's a snow. I shall see a tobium. Now, none of you ever talk us a last of one in Yamia Duma. Ali kick off and I Saturday. Woman at Chelsea and a woman to mean training. As I say, I'm training ground sonomino. I had yes a snow at Juaf and out Drew. I am Bamunchin software and I was Sabana Strass at Dominion and some snow aje womu training grounds no enso afa and the same yabet ye tron na gisam performo ebe adwusuo no nyina free patch no so anasem pomo ha na sabia weather condition anya kamadia na chese bamunchefo training no anya ye se no enso na betu ba so no no we are the current state of near ye fan se no enso chese dwumedia and abakoso awo bamunchen womo so ana chese wonsem no nyina no ye de ema ye tefo enano pay enso awo show so dominion say we for Florentino Perez ya call a Real Madrid na adeba kwashi womo papa eba besi na me no kase na Madrid for the fool say womo kwako na omo mbao emfama obia sakwa na Ballon d'Or na say yeah na Vinicius Junior enim so beje Ballon d'Or ekwi ase ana mo nchiramu pi ba na an ana fine kwasi hi na woyo waya nunti ana ma Rodri beje omo mpahwiatie na Florentino Perez no when I just obey bibi de tia aye Ballon d'Or emperor no report am say can say Real Madrid omo general assembly yes enom eba so woman socios and some aneko na nyame adama Sunday Sunday ana sa dwumadi no eno som adoba so yesi main topics our reference Florentino Perez abaso discuss yedi kan aye Ballon d'Or and Vinicius Junior and no aye chess number 1 and so our media nyame yarama sente and no some abaso no na me kasa grace say menya deal asof and now machi na me hunu say so prepare bi dia tia aye Ballon d'Or emperor for say no and diamen say kan say nyame yarama omni socios no wo so general assembly was about Sunday wonom abedi sa media no wo bedi komo kakade for Ballon d'Or and Vinicius Junior and some ebiem aye Real Madrid almost stadium na womo some asini fufa Bernabeu said yesi kwani nyina no wono some other kasa area phone ebiem aye Barcelona yes president they say Barca and Negrera womo case no wo onum said yesi kwantano so no Manchester Madrid am president na ye fano say Florentino Perez no and some other kasa dia fa and so ho e wa bra no aye dwumadia and some other cause ebiem aye referees acha some one year ye kan say La Liga no etimi hwe nyame anim no ma dibo pa ade etia Los Blancos aye no say aye penalty Madrid nyabia no ma buomani akuso ama chele san komori nyina no metiso owura no ensom abedi ebiem aye Super League enum aye nkoma owura na ye fan say Florentino Perez acha so no ensom aye president Tadma Bobo Kwano say Real Madrid no wono som abaso no so ni dia we aye no ma list and acha say revelation no ye de ema ye tof ena anopai ensom abosho no so free mame mfanto no say enwa wo mo training session ensom abaso yanko aye vade baba sensem no a wo mo som aye training kama na Real Madrid team no Jamensa Kanasa and Aurelien Chouameni, Danny Cavaya, David Alaba, Lucas Vasquez, and Rodrigo. You know him say, Wamuguso Arecover. Now, as part of Omoro Confino, I have Vasquez and Rodrigo, Omomi and Unkua, and a Timiteki part of Anasabia training a Barcelona, Wamusum a funny bee, Omantian and Indian Swan, Wamuya Kakani and Yoma, and no some across. So now, Jamensa Kanasa and training, yes, manager Fanas Ancelotti. We must start our gym. I'm just a gym work and no edika koso peja na dey atentantentanbia wo mutisi personal wo mo series of fitness exercises na just a woden wo from answer before international break when be to say opponent Real Madrid and some no machine nyina no Real Madrid ababi amokofa lesser grounds and asabia lesser distance ache aye opponent ababi no opponent no cover distance no more and fitness aye exercises no and ebi also across so ebiem amoya juma possession so be born by betimi akitamu a ye nyamu ma opponent no womoya pressing kakra aba build from achire and say be abroad from the back ni nyina no and some ayamioma and some across am no kasenyame ya doma womo ranum say weekend we no and some betimi afa now Canadian for say Brahim Diaz okay ah me betu just a former boy ni wom ama Morocco national team and worship na one year pass Obama Madrida Yana Ancelotti time ankoda no womusum anya boni bi mosansa womu na ntan use substitutes na report from say kan say Real Madrid for say boy no are you happy our Madrid ebiem and say coach na any general and president no so a ye fan say Florentino so ani and some aje Brahim Diaz and so ho and common country be aso moto what do you say be Brahim Diaz abobo and to this care about the fadi abema to what you message say nyare say sado no and no and some no betting your boss our bramo and so I update about some ni na no ye de am ye for onim so ram and some no bobo kua ye fan say FC Barcelona no pay me the betu out of Enwakra and na make catch us say nyame ya duma I the month of February next year and a Barca will return to Stadium Camp Nou na omuwe Camp Nou Stadium be right to say me be kan Enwa say next year February no pay me be cast e bia Deportivo Alaves e game na Barca for no wo mo som e be be stadium na no na Jaminya say no latest and no some abani Jumedia no and so akwaso ni nyina say Barca for say the month of February Deportivo Alaves e wom and watch Valencia and some account and a Champions League game on Atalanta and some Ashamino and so I games out when I and some other course our stadium and Sena other matches I was burning and some Atimia follow suit and some Kaka Abba na Lami Yamaja say Jamina so bueno Mebakan and Anusam I'm going to cross out a Vigo Grana woman start Abia boy never bought by 20 and Asampo Abia 25 minutes to be Nam Malami Yama boys and Safi and a schedule about tight pa yes almost say almost Kiakudan Nesabia 20 minutes to come out Kodana Bona Bahadria woman Malami Yama Gramos Ama Chinibi and also Ayaja Basafono woman some Afawa Kodano now Mebaka registration as some Charles your room our January just a boss register or for said Danny Olmo just almost register Kodana your father said Paul Victor yes say almost no problem when we see gas on no man you know some I fine now almost say one of the commercial strategies be at the atum our brass strategies no and a Bama FC Barcelona see gas some no apaja celebrate and Kodani no and some registration about conformo now my boy say woman for Jonathan David Ako and then buy the for free now my boy Barca for Jonathan David you know only say yes almost say I'm pabani there and the Ukobus and so your Barca or bar one question or take Barca or catch us Annie on your Barca or ball no my job I couldn't say we're surfing on my best study I could not say be a Jiminum Seromusu Bomo Bono Ebia could not bar or bet me a fiti and I some Ebia Jonathan David you know one of some bar and your problem say be adaptation of yes yes one or buy a crown while my area see Jamie Cramano Coniate Ninan and you must say Jamie second sir one some never study no more say be a cotano and some never to me Sajumano and that's on to me and no and some may update to Elba and one pa you're following and about to Janua woman say woman pamum coach na woman the team Abama or Fanasa Patrick Vieira Nevias yes Oma Wofro Qua Ubeshua Monom woman soon I was Sania Ubeshia Wonom. A very simple cry. Into Shani Pana who come over Swa, over Tritini Pau. Now Balotelli, Yami at the Batukasa, General Phone out to Balotelli, and was Saban McKee just and a comeback after a couple of years out of Italy. But the Batukas was the yellow card or Wamabadi or Grana, Balo said the yellow card. Coach no don't buy them. Yapamono, woman of Vera and Abana and one of Panano, a Sabatukasa, yes, and maybe a Kim, Balotelli Kobo, and my OG. Nisi, our French league in sometime. Now, we have found some Vieira and a coach here. Now, on the brain, and your problem. I'm a coach in the Casa Bino, one more on your team player to study an annual, a Bisu Basui, a cancer pit for Balotelli, and a Balotelli Casa Chia. Now, Crady is all crowd, own cow, and I want to crown, what can be the man who's free Nisi, and some a boy. Now, the same person or Kaho. Emma free Nisi Equano, Waba General Onyana Otumiru Crane, Yapamu coach and Adam Vieira and Eba. Now, did you make back and it's what Jam Demono, when some background story, Medeba Sansa, and seconds, and none pay, we remember Italy by 11. I was so reference of Vieira ever drew, none on other sign of contract, you know, and some Adama Genua, a real neutral session, Eddie Kain, Ababaso, Robert sign a contract until 2026, Ediama Genua. And you Balotelli do train now, Coachina. What she had also one chia, and as a board of Benjamin Abanas when you be more, and you said, be a coach in I just what a professionalism and a Germanic idea when you theatre and all, and some updated from Asuya and some about Juve. Well, but so coach you Chibia Missonia because and Ramabeka Sam, I had to shun Vlovich and some Akakopra. Now about enough fear Krabi because Niprano, I'm some Amoshi. Dominion said, oh, you're out. One also bought AC Milan. Now, Amadia Mensa can say, Juventus Timino, yes, manager for Santiago Mota. I'll say, I'm a midfield and now you're for a tune called minus or you'll be on and I'm going to say. And yes, you coach numbers what the Aqua and Fanasa called minus about 9 against Milan. Netier and Ra called minus about game. I'm a Netherlands and Ra. There's a Yodes about game. I'm a Tokai. What I'm saying, Juventus, woman, your arrangement. I'm a private jet. jet echo faction called minus on the drew and one at Joe Kenan Yodis one also private jet echo fano one also never drew and one at Joe and to the minion say game that domino and a big game uber drew and one at Joe won't to me Casawo and nominal Casano pay yesem also reported I would jet training center and no I had Juventus Bible training sessions and some across from Manchester and some other training center there one also be available for that game and some other our brand pay no ya day update at demo now you say one strike can say something sanity dia one call Leverkusen as Patrick Schick or be on should not play time last season crowd here no time for bench and ever now Schick no I'm so from January no be a catch from say one the boy in the bar or baba no baba sina can some amachufe amachese ni no and some my update for amaswaya and so ade ba won sem no ya de amaye to for another pay and some our show some me akwadena you find only Watkins no where striker man Aston Villa what award udru aye England do mo presentation Edman St James's Park and as well ya near can say okwa bia St George's St George's ono wo training center na Chesapeake England e compare na almost say we no SJA na Chesa Sports Journalist Association President's Award president no aye Darren Lewis na say Yemfa Award the best sporting moment of 2024 and come only Watkins ni na say wo kai Euros semi final wo for bench and a buy about 9 minutes on and a share winning goal and it ya net dollars on team and Manchester players ni bia and some for bench at the bamno and no junior about the year 2024 no look at the best sporting moment and I sure semi final akodai every bench ebe share winning goal what young team small kodana fans only Watkins and some other two
yeah, for me obviously unbelievable moment, one that I'll definitely cherish forever. Looking back at it, I still get goosebumps now, and so do my family and friends. So it was nice that they were there to obviously see it firsthand, and yeah, just have that memory really.
Man of the match award, you're only on the pitch for 9 minutes.
I know, I was surprised I got that, to be honest, when Andy said you got a man of the match, but yeah, that didn't matter really. It was obviously the moment, the goal, which was special, and yeah, the whole night was top. Yeah.
Yes, and a moment I would tell South Korean fans only Watkins IJSJA and I Sports Journalist Association President's Award and I'll tell your day again in Seminano and some I tell for Manchester for no one players from call a international break Makumako 14 and 12 about drew our bra will be na say and good news Emma Tumno now Bakuya Lisandro Martinez and Alfie Victor Lindelof Omumian Kwana say woman knock our Leicester match na Chelsea Lindelof so no am Sandia na enshire entry sense yes one more kind result ebeba and out of 14 12 also Chelsea Lisandro Crowdier I likely say be a training ebe kosono one some number training na medically to just manager no one more training na no Monday one more training on Tuesday and I catch us all battle good morning na Chelsea morning now we are just hey good morning na Chelsea training girls on bra and why the papa na Manchester and Quran after Senra Yabeka sa Rashford akuposti our brom to the baswan a dig and a simple a jab and Odiama Everton Hagano yes boys in the say 1 2 training sessions omaya and Ruben Amorim nano Monday and Chelsea Enwa a Tuesday no 1 to the basa coach no or Mourinho style confidence. I have Mourinho's style confidence. Nase akukudwana Mourinho kitabi you know. Woman say omu Jose. Our coach woman jamsa as a team in the Amopa when you know Juma Buta. Now Mansell for all somebody about to some weeks ago Sam. Omu Julius coach na you find a pep. One about stand by 1 more year. And so the Mansell after Sam and about to gather that and one you men I'm a test here say we agree 1 more year. Only some Mansell for say say woman coach Bian Casada will be a catch us a Ruben Amorim not even a single day and a Man City FR phone FR Ruben Amorim also your coach and I said your manager I will say City FR no Pejan Samia one so no be an incubator no more genius of Pep ever sign now Pep I signed the NHS and your bad news Amada Leaks and I said Timsa woman can Jason Candy say any still City that's your favorite. And so, one to me, we need batches in about 20 grad so I will be into me show on them today. What did you about some Man City? And that's what your favorite Tadama and your Premier League title. Young Tears Mora, your friend said Jason Candy and some other two.
They're more than capable of going on an unbeaten run of 15, 20. We've seen that in the past as well. I'm looking a little bit deeper here, Crookie. Does this suggest perhaps that Pep knows or was very confident that those 115 charges that are currently being investigated, he feels that, as he stated in the past, that if the club have let him down, he won't be at the club. So it feels as though maybe he knows something. Is there anything in that or not? Am I looking too deep into it? Yeah, look, they're more than capable.
Yes, and no, you see. Na yes, ya for so monton Gabriel Martinelli na I'm say coach no crowd gidi so monton na boy irreplaceable and you one amount no so mo je no crowd e buy na mum Jaminya ne say omo gidi pass Martinelli kwamo no na ba from to monton eye ama you say Carlos Baleba Liverpool and so any abre eye nkoma e free china ko bia ba start ate say Carlos Baleba no eye Bobo Kwefan say Brighton boy no Liverpool for any abre pa Bishop na bibi I find here
Baleba no dey top player. Baleba no ball no obo no. Anu adin. So nti me pese onua betena ha sisi ei. Na ne enra no oye kire Ghana fo ni nyana mi rampacho o. Ontimi nche na se because so dwane ene dia se wa amba dia ene na ne ba ne picture no. Me so me de beba. So nti no se o se omba obedwane a. Ena me so me de me ye ne se mema oni Jeff ni ahwe ne ba ne picture no. So omba adwuma na ene no so we jaya. No problem. Yankari. Somba mechim baby coach no koye training 3. No nya Mourinho style confidence. Blown away. Tactics superannuation. Back to back encore. Run overlap, underlap to do the OOP. Invert double number 10s to penetrate the central spaces and create weight. Sanyoma we niano. So when tima man ne amechim dia. Ne ba ne picture ne wa. Enye.
Papa call check up review
and also your penny our casa
man cracker
into casa there and I mean
so I didn't permission to for Luma to be
okay any of the yes and then why busy kakra na yes ramo oba OOP no double inverted number 10s. Messi Mount to eat the space and occupy the
Messi Mount doesn't matter.
Winner ever
can occupy space.
Enra, okay, my yedi. And that's so by the other band say, no, Jumana or no, a blown away Mourinho style confidence. La. Yawaha, Yabechem.
Okay,
nah, mum. The better was. On the more serious note, international break is part of the football. Yeah. Basia, chacha for bofu. Because Udimim could track Cambodia. Because
Tunisia better if you are
be best show.
2 years say.
2 weeks we know you do. Bet way for every real pepra juicy Kenya. What to 2 bottom pepra every in the office or I bet to 2 bottom of phone so a juicy. Say na unya ye hwe ntino se ye kone ye ba se ya na wo so start ye note no mu ye betu fu ne se nya abotre because Friday nyame adoma ye benya about 80% of the press conferences and ne be me hu se players ni beduru ye no e bi pneumonia e bi nya measles dwiba gubi ana se den ansa na ye hu ba bia odi sika ne befa e opepra ne betu for nsa no weekend anye saa. And then a 1 month continuous, we bring a scanny action. The case of the international break is said that Juventus able against RB Leipzig. We need 3-2. They sacrificed that gentleman called Gleison Bremer. Now, English almost say Pyrrhic victory. Obedisi Council, Obedeji. Omunya 3 points in the day. But problem ACL. Their best defender this season. Okay. Now, yeah, Kwakobo, Colombia versus Uruguay, Colombia versus Ecuador in the South America World Cup qualifiers. Fancy. And your match, training keke. Now one cabal. Akopra ACL. And within a space of 1 month, Juventus suffer double ACL to 2 center backs. Long term, they would have to go into the market.
Yeah.
Then, their leading marksman, Vlahovic, nso so apra. Nemum, yɛde nyame ase sɛ Tion Ku minus ɛne Kenan Yildiz deɛ ɔmo yɛ okay. Fancy, ɛno ne yɛfrɛ ne sɛ chim fitchire. You see, patch. Thiago Motta, first season at Juventus. Sɛnea na yɛ expected sɛ Juventus bɛyɛ no, wayɛ ama na aboro so. Na epira we abɛm. How is he going to survive?
Big question.
January Sundri. Na wakase oko market no so akopɛ center back na anyebi oko a papa ben na ho a okofa. It's one thing wanting a player and it's another thing with the player being available. Juventus have invested, but now look at them, they are in trouble. See, Pep Guardiola offered us a conversation outside press conference in Asian. Fancy, I don't think he's a normal human being.
Pep.
Yeah. The first thing that makes me accept the reality around his perfectionist attitude, Fancy.
Sompa Sports.
And yes, on a number ball. As soon as no training. They mo on ball no Ohio State University for stadium. They bomb American football. Oh, Tia Park no so I know ye in Pabwa no side in the nice park no so.
Like the barefoot.
Yeah. No, or then inside we can't grass. He wanted to measure the length and then the thickness to be sure. Say a hybrid and that's a natural grass. Oh yes, I knew. I say it would have been better if this game was played here, but the crowd size we can't.
Wow.
Because that stadium is under 40,000, and baby, almost ball match now, and you're over 80,000. So, I never want to say what renew. A Jumana Oyen one and Niju, and 2, he believes he's on course to leave the greatest legacy. Okay? Forget about the number of times Alex Ferguson, AJ Premier League. No? It was because of longevity. Otina Hoche. And he had an all-conquering side. This guy, on the basis of time frame, he's surpassing Ferguson.
Oh.
Alex Ferguson, they know numbers. And then Emperor Otina defining an era. Now, within this short period, or a centurion, nobody is. Alex Ferguson, you're trouble or a trouble winner. Waji 4 times in a row. Fancy. Into Osoriano Park where you match now. What's the motivation?
I was anchored by this time, Gribia.
Good. But he needs to cement his legacy. Not just on the pitch. Sepe Guardiola niho. Na se rule ni ba. Na yampase Manchester City bonia. Or to say cyclist in American no cycle Tour de France na channel. Lance Armstrong. Say Anchina, he's shown love and loyalty. And Tise Buffon Modian, but it's getting closer. Time as Juventus score Serie B, Serie C, Omudi Omachini Omokoyen. But it's very good news for Manchester City because they've not started the season well. And players maybe will be asking questions. Their boss, or Betna, and now Obeko, what's the situation? So it is very good for Pep Guardiola that he would be there for the transition. Because it is very important.
That is if.
Yeah. Yeah. Because fancy the transition is that Tiki Begistan Eko. So Manchester City will need a new sporting director. Ordinarily, almost CEO Ferran Soriano. So Oniwa, it would have been so obvious that Omar Berrada would have taken over. Omar left. Tiki is leaving. So Nusu Efiwa at the chief CEO office level, they lost. At the technical director level, they lost. Then at the coaching level, they lost. Why pa na Manchester City beat my boy rim? I offer top replacement to say omo fi we. Ama wa bebe yo mu dwuma na mo. Nti se Pep e wo ho. Na se Tiki Bergstein ni na se ne yete Hugo Viana e na ebeba. Then ye will be all that he understands the city way. Me share Georgia Donne coach Afrani Babno. Ye din come na say academy be anywhere in England not say at home.
Yeah.
Nobody comes near the academy.
Yeah.
All the brightest young players in the country, they are looking to recruit them and also outside of the country. It is very good news one for the Premier League, for Manchester City, the current players. And this should propel themselves.
Sompa Sports.
International break eBay. Because some of the performances has been lethargic. So coach, the players must do something. And I'm expecting. So on BB, no more they are sharing anymore. Yamen Ukraine, Saul Watkins born or share. Maybe I'm not born to them. Eshin, I come up.
Oh, yeah, striker. Watkins. Oh, yeah, striker, brother.
Or share Holland for Eshimi. Ah, Yanumpa, the menu money. Then you made your mama find out. You know, I'm happy they've actually recognized him. But way, time and seasons. Hadrian. Oli Watkins, for all his brilliance, will be in the shadow of Kane. And not much could be done. Are you better than him? Do you provide better numbers? Are you also the captain? Be a energy. And not least, Obanswa, Ojina Park Neswa, or deliver. But when you extend it to depth, so England to me Kane film, normally the Watkins never there, then they have a good squad.
Yes.
But for every good performer, Obepese Yebobono, no Ojina Park Nesubi, no Obo. Nyamienu Nkwarini Baleba is a good player. But he shouldn't move from Brighton now. Yes. Ufri Cameroon Academy. No about Lille. No about Brighton. Fancy about 2 years.
Born a dear.
Unimbo. Unimbo na. Probably Jeff.
I can't know my career. Yellow cars. No,
Oya Kraketwa.
Unimbo.
Oya raw. Cameroon. And Wako France. And Waba. Okay. Tinaho. Na ye mistakes no. Brighton said, "Ball foul na say Obian could catch short videos environment to Twitter."
Yes.
But over Liverpool na ba ko foul na say mienu we worry. Now, this kind of faithfulness, the same way see a filia or counting was so ye baleba. Na Ghana players oh. Ne ball no born. Ghana for pepe. Left here number 6.
You were cast mudi.
Sulemuntari nana. Nana kwere. Look, what me say is the definition. Sagan.
If you want to know the best of Mutari, check FA Cup final Portsmouth. If you want to watch the first
2010 there no.
If you want to watch someone pa massa.
Fancy. I put it to you.
Sulia stem the maker.
Almost started bombing games.
My can't say. I mean, kind of last time
this morning to talk about that. Yeah, so
if bombing games, Gazali said the players in the manner.
Naturally left-footed or ball defensive midfield.
Slow die.
No. Almost natural left to play defensive midfield. Most of the time, the defensive midfielders are normally right-footed, but left. Now, your mom is brilliant. They are superb.
Okay, so no, you like I saw about 3. No, I'm born as a 3. I'm to be born at 10. But Pakwisi man about 6. It is a when you're born no, you know, so China say, "Oh, did not tell me no Pakwisi both." Because naturally left-footed players, no, they are a bit slow.
Yeah.
But they are intelligent.
And they will protect the ball. Or better coin so they won't protect them.
The ball at every point. So that's why explain the versatility on the field. Or Koba looks through one player umbrella. He defends very well. Pa.
Maybe someone that's a more mobile or more coaching. I don't know from the ball Tom nine so no more bar.
A different
almost Sumano.
Left for Casade.
On BBA was
left for Nipper Bio ball left Bio Nimbo Bia. They didn't different from their natural or use to rise.
And then I'm wearing a messy assembly.
Guy with you, Sulemuntai. No. He's the exceptional of the exception.
Massa. Look,
Sulemuntai.
Wababolo. Not joke. Any joke. I mean, to be playing alongside Nico Krancha, one of the finest Croatian midfielders I've seen. This guy, and he
never looked out of
he
place.
defines game way. Yeah.
I mean, the man depend as a more says, "Ball no, some pass no passing them bar." If you say any Uruguay, no, it's a pass them bar, shot the bar,
No, Sumano.
shot the buses. Yeah. I mean, I may have some be a baby o Fibiano. Balebe or Moya in Liverpool, Balebe. Boss, you couldn't sense.
No be a Simon and Dingramu in our bias here and Peddy.
Well,
Because talent
someone yesterday.
Also to us well.
So we shall say free the Ivorian game. You see, Mikacho said MS5, or you see the centre back pair of Emmanuel Agbadu and Ivan Ndika is always one. And he Oluzi here to Zambia, no, he's revert back to
Sompa
normalcy. But on the whole, let me say, they play so beautifully well. And it's good, say, opportunity, say, Jean Crasso, clearly, Evian Givard, Omar Diakite, almost Shedda near that sharp in front of goal. So it's good, say, and let's say they play so well. Yes, Chad is not a measurement to test the quality of the elephant, but at least it was a good opportunity for the coach to use. So, do you play away, Chad? So, Isuf Bayo 4. So, Isuf Bayo, this is debut. The first goal, not your first goal, is his debut, Isuf Bayo. Or Louis, another player, or loan, or Watford. So, debut he gave him, and Thomas Jean Crasso played behind him, and he did very well. So, Jeremy Boga also had his first debut on the left. So Simon Adingra play on the right. Someone more on Bimbo. So he gave him an opportunity, he played so well, and Simon Adingra delightful goal. Then the moment came for Emmanuel Agbadu, the centre back, to score his first goal for the national team. And beautiful header from Agbadu. And then the man, Omar Diakite, so on AFCON, I mean, the Iron Man. He played so well. And then the fourth goal came. Clearly, the Ivorian team no say MS final the trimu no there because of one number the way first after winning cup now, they don't have a problem. All the two losses almost suffered against Sierra Leone Zambia because he think with the centre back pair. What come back to pair more last no, which is the most reliable pair for him now. He's been able to win. So no coach only very careful how he thinks with the structure of the team. Clearly they've qualified, but Jean-Michel Seri did not come for the two games, so they've qualified. Ibrahim Sangari, M-ball. So now going to the AFCON, Ibrahim Sangari is not even played one of the qualifiers yet for the team. He's not even been called for the team. Ibrahim Sangari. So those guys will come. Now Ghislaine Conan, now Christopher Perry Ajini left back position. Ghislaine Conan the ball for Mudi AFCON. So he's now the number 2 to Christopher Perry. Ideally, Odilon Kusono, any Ivan Ndika and a pair winning cap no. But now Ivan Lagbadua take you over. So now Odilon Kusono will now be a backup. So check the quality they have. Arrive by reference single Geladui or Sergio Riomama goodbye for the national team. Now Sebastian Heller have to come into the team and fight for a position. Onye is the regular player for the Ivorian national team, the striking department. No, he has to now come and fight to earn a place because Eneno, Evian Gesad, Jean Crasso, Omar Diakite, Simon Adingra, Jeremy Omatono. That's the depth the Ivorian team have. Now, Omar winning the cup without their wonderful Winfreza. As to whether coach Mefren or Befreno. So they have a lot of quality up there. One of the themes to watch out for, say coach Mr. This brilliant left winger, Lati Lythe from Middlesbrough, brilliant player. Onye Bimbo, the bench from Frimbada. So they have a quality team. Now what the coach needs to do to stick to the structure I work in, and that's it. And now to Zambia, Avram Grant, respect.
Could watch and I for.
No, but I tell the truth is that Ivory Coast was too much quality than the Black Stars. We are nowhere near them in terms of quality. Almost dead. Look, I'm just telling you players who didn't even come for the game. Those players who start in your team. Nicolas Pepe has not played one. Nicolas Pepe is not been invited for any of the qualifiers. What is here? Pepe is doing very well with Villarreal this season. So that should tell you that if he is even struggling to make it up to the national, that should tell you the quality that they have. Here. Now, Zambia, Avrangrana Yadia, but he's done a great job. Great job. So he come back to Niamika to the as a, if you have an average team, not exceptional, when you are a top class coach.
But I said no so Sambaya still Nemkui.
Was he?
Nemkui.
There is no back. Avrangrana have experience coach. And he done this with this brilliant, and now I changed the position of Kelvin Kapamba to go and play as a left wing. And now Omar Kelvin Kapumbu rather plays at DM and move Kings Kangwa to the right and Evans Banda to the left. That's a mark of a good coach of experience at his level. And then now Joseph Sabolo is doing so well. The 2 pass Banda scored, and Kennedy Musonda is a good time for him to be scoring. We had 2 goals in the last game against Ivory Coast. And then this game, because one, passing Daka and Mbaye, and Tifashin Sakala and yo, and then the captain Lumbaba Musonda, those who strike ahead of him. So it's an opportunity for him to make impact. No yes statement, Marco said, "Misumi around in case Boga for no bar for Afcona Bakubiamba." So he's making a case, and 2 matches, 2 goals for him. Brilliant. Zambia, they are struggling now because of the lack of quality from what they used to do. Omar departed from that. It's affecting them. The supply chain is no more working for them as it used to be. Omo youth tournament, they are not doing well. Now, Zambia, mano more idea than the mano. Now, so let me move to the game Senegal. There's a young boy, brilliant performance from Senegal. And I mean, it was total control. I mean, Eduardo Mendy did not even make a save. Nioya did 9. Also, Prana sang so he's still given. Now, Maka Assembia Church said there will be a deadly midfield throw that will be the best on the continent. And now, Papa Tia Wayade, you know, Papa Tia won the Malawi both games. Obeshe, Burkina Faso, Alusi couldn't score Burkina Faso in Dakar. Papa Tia Obeshe. Now, this young boy called Habib Diarra, or a bad boy, 20-year-old boy from Strasbourg. How many Burkina Faso he scored a long drive? And Oshe Priest. Now, check this. He's 20 years. Papa Matasa is 22, and Papa Matasa a boy Idrissa Gana Gay. Nia Papa Tioye and say, or yeah, transition manager with experience and young players. And before Sebi Idrissa Gana Gay 35, before maybe actually be a year or 2 finish, then Omo how to play there, he will guide them. So yesterday he played Papa Matasa and Lamine Camara and a Gay 150. Now check what Lamine Camara, Papa Matasa, and Habib Diarra. This boy is a top class player. He's a top class player. Yeah. Habib Diarra is a top class player. Messi is a top class player. He's 20 years. Lamine Camara is 20. Now, this is the midfield for the future of Senegal. Lamine Camara will be 20. Habib Diarra 20. Papa Matasa 22. Yeah. That's how dangerous. Senegal. Yes, that's how dangerous. This is their future midfield. Because Nampal is still there, Ghana is there, Shikuyat is still there. And Tifana, yes, that's it. Brilliant. And yeah, now only Papa Sheikh Tidani Sabala from Mets. Who say any mono, Famare Dio, Oba or struggle, Nicolas Jackson struggle. Only Mane is the most established, consistent scorer of the team.
Omunya so striker and all that age category now. Senegal betting us role.
Oh, Masa. Khalidou Koulibaly, what he's doing, look. And Abdou Diallo ni Khalidou Koulibaly. That's the back, center back winning happen. He's bringing Musa Nyakiti, a boy with Khalidou Koulibaly. This young man, Papa Tio, is a good coach. On managing transit experience and young guys too, so that they hand over nicely. And now Abdullah Sek Bemu. Now Abdullah Sek is also the backup for Khalidou Koulibaly. Abdullah Sek ni Abdou Diallo boy. That's the first time they have been playing as a pair. Now also left back, there's Papa Malik El Shabdiouf of his Slavia Prague. He was brilliant, 90 years. Brilliant. Yes. So what Papa Tia, another Chan, why na coach Chan, Papa Tia na coach Chan. So what Papa Tia is doing now is bringing under 20 that one and the Chan team on board Kakaka to fade out in Benifono. And then
I'm okay about Minchaso.
Oh, Bisa.
17 Africa. How many defending champions?
Oh, 17.
That's it. No, 17. This
so we are not beating Maka. Senegal here.
Senegal won 20.
I want to Gini now.
Senegal won 20. 22, but they won Chan also. And then they won the May one.
Until they all come on, you know, of Mali.
Oh, Amad Diallo.
the back could be up made for that tintin be so cool. Manchester for not of small boy.
Connie Hannah.
On free. But how do you?
No, I'll check that.
Sorry for. How do they get all this?
No, because Ata is the
the last one will be at 2023. I'm gonna Jason Ghana Jam 2017.
Yes,
under 17.
They took everything. I said, okay, I said, discuss. So I said they won everything, including the AFCON review.
Current champion Senegal
under 20, they won the Chan review. We discussed it here. Yeah. Now, what we used to do in the past is what they are now doing. Yes, and age. Look at the age they are playing the national team. Very young. Brilliant. Young. And they are playing this without Papa Gay. Jonathan Bamba. Look, they are doing this without Bamba Dieng. Kulai Diaz didn't even play this game. Now we have a young player. Look, Dion Lopez, 22. Brilliant, talented. Coach, say, Nimre Baba, young Fred, Dion Lopez, midfield general. So in terms of age, national, they are quality. National team, what check it pass?
You see Sabali na never train.
Now you see I know. See I know Alhaji Malik Diouf from Slavia. He's 19. Now check this. Check this. In fact, the number one regular 3 is Ishmael Jacobs.
Also,
so where in the backup?
Ismail Assar.
Our bench yesterday, Ismail Assar didn't play.
Ringham,
he was on the bench. Nicola Jackson was on the bench yesterday. Patesis in a bemu, Ilman Dia in a bemu, Ephraim na Patesis by. They didn't even take part.
Sana money saw inside the question Troy Dean in times.
Papa again now and Bobby.
Yeah, Diamond in the nation was at that time of Watford.
Or what team you were Premier League and saying?
Premier League anymore. Palace.
Now the captain Diata about 2 instead of Femaso Mendy. Femaso Mendy was on the bench. That's the audacity they have.
About 2 time like most times for Senegal.
About the audacity. Yeah. After the quality they have, you have no idea.
Just another boss who has apostle can say man and buy na go she
of course he's been that
so problem
at our problem.
I said man in that so into soon that so
yes on problem
so when you say be Jackson must start so much
there does it and look at Jackson's age. So team now they can play for the next 8 years.
No man will play in the next half corner.
Oh of course let's say Obebo. Even Khalid Koulibaly captain will play. Ghana Gay will play. Nampale Mendy will play. Sheku Kouyate will play. Until now Omufio no more
Mr. Pobi or say Aspa Academy, Senegal, Aspa Academy, as I grow.
The way they are produced, the way they are serious. It's serious.
Okay. And then share the year academy.
Now Ataka Baleba Sem. Maza. Now
you know as a big one start, you know.
So now you see an Onuntina, Mark Bryce, Eddie Martin Hongla. Any Anguissa Ako in him no. So now he plays by no account by no number. So he plays as the DM for them, Carlos Baleba. And not Anguissa Ako. About Okahe, look, and Cameroon, Enzo Boyomo is or Sasuna, 23-year-old left-handed centre back. Now only Christopher Uye, 21. You are here. So they have a centre back pair.
Players now what we're doing now 20.
20. Well, we won't know my BBIFN. Hey. Oh, camera no was wow. God have mercy. Hey, people we ask you. We fancy, we know you lose your senses. No, we move here, then you don't have a sense anymore. Fancy had no chance and you at that point, nothing makes sense to you. You're so mommy for one no. Complete from no more or front or BBR.
Or so it's American rapper, I'm referring to
we Mumba Stadium, Zana. No, but at me, if we have gone and come back, I'm telling you, the quality of the African teams that are the quality of the players that are playing, Masa, don't go there.
Burkina qualified last month.
I'm qualified. Now that is why I'm in Malawi, 3, they drop 9 players from the first team. Hey. I'm say now Chan Crom to hear from now. Yeah. No, that African teams are doing so well, and only Osama Dare Osama San sorry Egypt no. Discipline top, yeah. So Mother, big man. Oh, now
Cameroon. Back when I'm a kind of okay to the about I'm referee Cardi B. Back when I say Cardi B.
Cameroon also will cost a star. So there's a lot. Egypt will be a mouth-watering team to play against under Osama Hassan or the other discipline. But also because I drop Ahmed Ghazi from the team. So there's all to play for.
Egypt is a team, Papa.
Hey, Obi was one first Salah. We qualified as one first Salah. No, any team.
Who's it?
And young Liniza Malik boys in a way.
Now also there be another attack.
I don't come the national team.
Salah and Kwane there anymore.
No, now he's doing well. Now he's doing very well. Omar Mush and Ahmed El Said from Zamalek is playing so well.
Oh, boy, striker, Mush also striker. Yeah.
Playing well. And their coach is smart because he's played the Zamalek play Ali.
And I say, Ombe Kwaf Konya Post, Ombe friendly matches. Why will be a crown free?
No, so Koto group could go Mudia, and also near
there be so standard no ban what their son and what they are about the and so
yet. Be John for the Nekobo. And I didn't Brunia.
It is only now an idea about how to play that Bijan. But I thought the truth is that Ocean Comoros here like a joke. They only said they are the best team in terms of points. They picked 10 points in 4 games.
24 countries. Black
Comoros, yes.
Qualify.
Comoros and I thought they are playing so well.
24. They is 16 cry a call.
Those are there now say a fluke when Comoros beat Ghana. Now they've gone to Tunis to beat Tunisia.
The same Comoros on Sunan Dangante Chomka on Babisuya said you see I'm Babisuya they are share 2019 AFCON.
Okay.
And one Sanko share Gambia away.
Egypt, Morocco, Nigeria,
yes,
Senegal,
yep,
Cameroon,
big boys.
Burkina 6,
and
Mali 7.
Even Nigeria, I forgot Nigeria.
Sorry. Out of 20 something, 8 women still we a new team to match them.
No, we can't match them. No, look,
sure.
The Nigerian all of a sudden when Pekovic took over, look, they are doing so well. Now we talk about Amin Guri numbers, no, Mohamed Amoura, Rama Reza Abdelkam, Saad Brahima is playing so well. They are like out of and then this boy Fires Chareb, Entran Frankfurt midfielder. That look, that.
Oh, I was saying that's a mirror. Age category at 21, 20, 19, 23. Now
that's my fear. You better qualify. You better be
no, macho.
We need to start.
Somebody that be able to say,
"Oh,
I don't buy the car." Say,
"Baby, it all dependent on what we do right, being sincere." In player. When we are picking players for junior national team, in the past as always sincerity. Obi good be over Division 3 or classic cry. We are good, they will pick you. We must start being truthful and sincere from that stage.
No, because fancy me no. Sa boy or boy Egypt for the 5 no. Mohamed
Abdulmonem.
Oba so no local boy.
You go Cameroon.
Ona ayi say what plan try no. By you be dem.
Shube.
No Gaba.
Abu
Gabaski be dem. So no na Gabaski so another.
No Zamalek at that time.
Monaim then.
I think Gabaski.
Monaim saw a small but for future he came from Future FC before Ali.
Gabaski Kwano be ka say on a first choice.
Monaim no ekobo we. Yeah, because we know Tanzania.
Otiauka Amanala
Memech, young boy.
Tunisia is a 19-year-old. I think over 20. He's a national team goalkeeper and number 1 for Esperance. What's it? Masa. 19 or that national team.
Tunisia qualify.
Yes, so one qualify. Omni qualify. Omni so them say opa omu ye den omni qualify. Qualify.
Me da say yema so na fe yema meto so eni yen komona. Ye na say American gin and age drinking water so ensuo no e wo dwa so ya bomode enso be pebi enso atona wabobo become ensuo we ana calcium magnesium iron ana fe potassium ahyimu mapa eno enso eboa ma chese wakoma no eye adwuma ye sa akoma no betimi apompo mo jama cardiac encho rough sulfur no ɛyɛ kangen ɛna agye drinking water na also pɛ bi ɛnom wo kidney ɛbɛbɔ ho ban afo liver no ɛnso ɛyɛ delicate organ ɛwɔ nipadua no mu ɛno nso ɛbɛnya ahoɔden apa yɛ adwuma nsuo deɛ mɛnom deɛ ɛyɛ polluted na nkɔnkɔfa asɛm ma na wonom nsuo ɛyɛ polluted akwadaa no wɔhyɛ yɛfunu mu wɔtumi deform opening no nso wotumi nya low sperm count ɛmɛyɛ yie kangen nsuo no ɛnyɛ na woduru abawa ruth wɔn junction no so Brahman UGC ne tafo new road abɛnya bi 0241 449191 imbuster ba mesha police ni edro no ne okọ aye pharmaceutical shops ekọ ba shop ma men konkoye kasatenti wo de okọ so to police ni edro mo bi another way no immune system support ano na be support wo system ama fight the te ya de bi e be se bana e betena oni padua no so malaria nom na afa honamre enso e de afru ni padua no mu e be ma hodema papa mo nya hode de akọ unyuma no so imbust pharmacy no womo adjaba mo be over the counter mo be mo chemical shop ne pharmaceutical shops no imbust pharmacy emperifo so ba enu no eye ne ka no se wholesale enko a abofuduro no nyina bi ewo ho abibiduro no nyina bi so ewo ho enu mo de no nko no mo ton abibiduro bi a watere din bia no ebuso ewo imbust pharmacy o kwakotu akoton no aju sika no enso ede agubotom offenso eye kodie offenso kwan ne so ana behu wonom 0246 208496 number no enjo so Gingermate dental clinic eho na abekomo a mo se no eso bu obeso ye filling ebia wakoko ntokwa ya show blow ama ose no eso eba ko tu anasempo wo de unyai dompe mane nkwa bodompe mu a ama chese ose no mapai mienu akwai na chese Gingermate replace ose no enso emergency examination and consultation omo ye teeth replacement and braces omo shama obeso ye scaling and polishing a root canal treatment and answer was son of a silver any gold and in no obeko ama Gingermate and so na fe one so I ne come at Jama Kumasia at the project Shekwana wofa so they call Bantama High Street on Sanifa so a day and answer Bronsana Bank ewo from no a soro ana Gingermate that was Tachiman magazine can tell Kwanos Anafe Eastern Region Kofodia Waben Central Police Station 0559139582 Charlie Prestige omo and a day in so na fa so 2 pure natural mineral water no enso aba maka chose so say in sachet into so pe bia to anoma wonoma wote sampa wanom nsuo pampam bia ne akire ana wonte se bia mu onwuno ensu a edepa omo di kan to bi no wo nyina nso agere duo esansa na wo masora hu se nsuo no nso ye kamanti mu a moto nsuo traffic num mo be se munya sachet water didi mo djuma ne nyina no 2 pure natural mineral water ma packaging ye ama chese meti the highest safety and chese standards FDA emperor for no enso ade ato wo pedu 2 atonwa 0538141360 ayo crotch en wacho de na fe also wabobo yenko break camera na say de ye di agrokra we place e bobom di the Africa de ebe yesu obeche ye kwaba.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
Mama kwa baba Gingermate dental clinic yeduma bia yedia ne say yebesiesie wosen na yebo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ate anase wosen animonyam so afa ne ntuma pa efi wo fix one no anase ye ka fre no permanent one no eno susu yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene fre no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba your profession no mu na your friend is killing and polishing say ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esene mu say bi okasa etimi ma pampan ene ade ebagu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen wa na wodru enkan so a ye wo mungwa na atomic down dome kwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ni OGN bank na wo the same premises na Kachima so ye wo magazine market kwan no so wa anase opposite AY Ahmed na wodru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na enihwe G runabout no wo free Total Filling Station na ya bron sign na edi ho ye adwuma free eda juada kopem eda memeda itini afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
Ebra, if I shop la me sha dia o bag.
Bra ade enna so biem.
What time about me see you back when me say?
Bra, said the time about me sha esia gimi ni me fie fo. Enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye.
Me dey do this ofa ni nyina.
Bra, se me ka se me di time about me sha ho adanse a. Wiase nyina ebe te me nka. Enti se malaria, where do any time about me sha?
Enya nu go, die na nu ato a wontimi ani die no. Where do any time about me sha? Edre enye ma oba wa fa afuro. Die wa ma akoda no fo. Ene akoda woni mfie dumienu. Ansa na obeto time about me sha edre bi no. Hwese wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo achidi malaria yi bi ansa.
Ayo se time me TIME. Time about me sha. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no. Ebe tua. Ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do na mu. FDA agi edwadue nkratoi ato.
Abusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja atom na rewu sebe wo me se. Abofra keto wanya 2 years akadai ba ku. Nti African Spider-Man bla me ya abofra keto yi mo na nipa ho hia. Dede bi ko so no ti kame ho ne ko hwede won bia. Expectation ka African Spider-Man ba be sebo abofra yi. Ba preocupe ne hu African Jack. Wo ba be sebo abofra na wo secret kura no anything.
Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret.
Na dia na ye.
Na me yetu na ma nkeka e form. Ana police mi di wa dance tell me say menye na me nson hwe. Na me so we no a boost immune system. Ama nsem yetu nya me ntebra. Mitimi di kama. Ama wo ka wo dum so ekoso.
Me kura so me dai yale ama mai latitude me nya ba ko.
Anye je ne koso hwe.
Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing?
Mo fa me kura chen.
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture and pharmacy and answer herbal shops. Apim for any nkola omundi fie dumienu enom FDA agigede nkatwe ato.
So wo papers papa to OP wallpapers and American for mount. So wallpapers at the decorative offices. So fie and sorry say ye paps ahodo. Baby bia wo hia wallpaper de do djuma bia no. OP wallpapers efro. Ye ma wallpapers ebe match with blind curtains. Eba no bedside lamps nso a OP MR types or match shapes. Colors out do nyina ubenya bi ato e wona so ye ho se open LED backlight e dey above flash screen echi a and so OP e be mo bi se open self ring light out do phone be shim e OP wallpapers and e be mo self ring light OP e wo Kumasi adum first floor Nana Kwesi Ajman building na mu tafo GNTC building first floor ana chronom or barrier on the market no edi anim hwe se open wholesale and also retail any OP any nsawo so free OP e was 0540-353750.
Mamishe, time HH herbal Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw, a ya draw say, a manipedian quamuano, and young wedding, na a quotia yare, and chain yare and san wakakoto, fire word draw, nan abribia, Canoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe just no one more and at the time HH herbal mixture at the bejaso akra wenyan fisia dumienu enumbi wo pinfo ene oba wo makra for enso enumbi time HH herbal mixture wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH herbal mixture yedro say FDA age ejwadie nkratue atum.
I'm saying that Ghana must not introduce PSHS on the whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Many mistakes have been made by countries in Africa already with PSHS.
Akufado, minya udeni, we boy. Baumia, minya udeni, we boy.
Hey, Mammy Jimfua, Ned Dena when Yaji always say.
Minia, some Kaya dear free SHS, I am mamma name Mao. I mean, Hunia Minyampo, a Sandy and another Danko Akufado, and Dr. Baumia, Ayenti. So Kaya Bra, Mikuna no Shayina a free muno.
Annie, Mikaipa,
Nani Dasuni Nasa. Some of them mammy and sending in Abaco school. I could see send another Danko Akufado, and Dr. Baumia at the free SHS a buy. Sia, my mammy and sa, coffee, Essie, and the Kojo, and na Cosco Cassia Cassiani. Minia, no one in the Yanomoeka. Almost some about more than such a babamo. A bimoso mobile mobile, a bimoso mobile mama for any be at school fees in be.
Hey, I'm a person of your margin be a mo. It is just a wine in here. No one can free. I'm a person with ya, any binu, a sinche. No more side of connection man, and the protocol in semi. As say free SHS for pay I am by Koyo.
And not to know say by a woman in be a say. You have free SHS on by. Na ya no man bamba say at the papa. Nanado any Dr. Baumia at their brain you.
And your free SHS for Yana Mamma and go for senior possible.
Nanso say dear. It is possible. Afiwe, yet so about the above free SHS for buying. So Dr. Baumia, #1 on the ballot.
Ashafo ye mama kwaba e de aba Alaska Star Enterprise. Alaska de said the munimo no ono na de wallpapers e ba ye. Ene what the different kinds of eniema abepom e wona so ye. Christmas eniema ye de siesie dem. Any occasion bia ade bia wo pasiesie wo dem bia. Se bi bete se blind curtains, center mats, sofa covers, material curtains, comforters. Any niema bia flowers ahodo wall clocks aye de siesie de opa bia Alaska Star Enterprise ye wakumasi adum Mrs. Anoche Plaza building eno ena ye first floor me pacho udru enkran so a ye wa TikTok link opposite Circle Mall okanshi NS Chemist building nim Alaska Star Enterprise your #1 shopping center.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver.
Whoa, fie na yaba betwa so de afifie real quick na fe the stories no aso so enso de amayetifo and anope live on the show na yem from right now fe yem kwaya nim op wallpapers no brana bejo de say container 40 feet and so asaba bejo wallpapers ewom ama chese ne blind curtains enso emache your decorations awodo abeso ye ewo fie ene chese monte so ne wonwumam baby bia abeso twa deco bia no 3D wallpapers and in the blind curtains no so window a 2-in-1 and I say a 3-in-1 OP so brand bejidudo bia also obese oje afa TV backlight or the ball flash screen achi self-ring light and a brow ema videos any AFL or center carpet air diffusers and flowers wall clocks and water fountain no and no on sabeka bi and a best spread no so no wakwakofa and so abadudo bia besonya bia no OP and some and the bemau na make out say a dum pizza to na makwasi Ajman building name na for Chronom barrier on the market and also a DNM 0540 353750 OP ebe Josian Queen stories in this one yan fadi aka so na Georgia Free on appointment just Keto Kraku Krofa so appoint two coaches the former vice chairman and also the former vice president of the Ghana Football Association Georgia Free and so can be at the found George.
Yeah, I see Kushapia in the kind of coach of the media or Pamo, who are the Juman man assistant. Because Kushapia no one qualified, but his assistant was qualified, Idiakono, and a CJ. So Opamo no see there's no time for Matra Makwe. No, the man Milu. No, you on I Matra Makwe. No, you feel, no, the man Chris. No, I am Matra Makwe. No, the Azama, Otu, Otu, Matra Makwe. Otu, Matra Makwe, now you know, a legendary.
Yes, na Georgia Free say ye pa otuado acho and ma otuado ebeje eye Black Stars a coaching job nti enye say bia wa plan say bibie mum ene ekopa na acho George.
I know me say so otuado say no resign kira. Oni dey na ye misiri wom. Ndi ye misiri wom.
I can state it on authority. Say it is in Otoado's contract. One of the clauses that can terminate the contract. AFCON one qualifier. Opamra outside me Sobwa. It's in there. The can't catch there on only the Kuchi Black Stars. You may you point your position now. Yes, the criteria is the Kuchi. You bypass criteria, the offer to me a panic on the arm. Yes, with the big idea for the public partner. I didn't buy in Robert Tatikma. He has his free whether you are manipulating him or not. And oil. This is the result to be assessed in the result.
And no, I am some Georgia free and out to say, ya dennis and Maunano pay no mum, a Dania Bena a contract out to do any a Ghana as signing you, you're so all resign, Diana Ghana, ya. I bet you amount to Jumano Abono.
The FA has every right to terminate the contract. Also, know the Omunkan because they recruit and come up a candidate. It's in there, it's in the contract. Let the FA come out to say, George Oboy, I can state it on authority. Say it is in Otoado's contract. One of the clauses that can terminate the contract. AFCON one qualifier.
Na chese close so mudi shemuni say Otuado entimi anfa Black Stars and qualifier na chese Juma no aye betemrete ni contract no aye George afie ene de aye sansem no enso de atudwama enano pe de honsem no ema yeti for life enso on aye full time show ya baba so ya to so na mame aye bafu pole na ye African printer no ana chese oda so ede ye Juma o de pam polo shirt ede pam round neck and v-necks afei se ro be so see the African printer pamatare no ma no sana bafo polo so aben kama baby abeso ko bia timi share na tade ne bi ko efe usinso a emfedi empopo se the city no sana tie for years na oda so share ababia be ko bia no dam unique na fe bafo classics no lapel tops enso ene ne down ewom a cheso pam suit ama wo pam kaftan enso ama no nyina no aye bafo polo ensa no adwuma ahenema kokoben off Santase Obuase ekwan ni so aye 0249 600789 na chese on a bafu polo enso enkasa ene enso anope afeyema so na yento aso for Milo games no qualifies no enso ekoso bedi nkomo enche bia nemom wensu his excellency former president John Dramani Mahama ana ono so agina stage and work asere found say Black Stars entimi an qualify ayeso bi nsitrodo matwa yentie ensema former president enso editudwa
Black Stars are near the teaching in your work at and maybe I'll say Black Stars on what near the teaching your work at and then the Black Stars are taking up pants 10 years me and maybe I ever African Cup Black Stars could be and then the qualification for it to be qualified. The German Sudan Munina Sudan Airport of Power qualify for African Cup and a Black Stars there. Yakiti, Nina, and your Mambo Bonia, your family watching.
I say, Ose, oh, there we go. I say, I'm qualified. And you're more content. Oh, my. Hey, as someone in Bishop member was waiting to be ada. Couldn't Ghana Limited. I'm also be saying yes, I'm going to be able. I said, Black Stars, you're the teacher. What do you ain't here for my president?
Black Stars are near the teacher in your work and maybe I'll say Black Stars on what near the teacher in your work and then the Black Stars are taking up pants 10 years me and maybe I ever African Cup Black Stars could be and then the qualification for it to be qualified. The German Sudan Munina Sudan Airport of Power qualify for African Cup and a Black Stars there. Yakiti, Nina, and your Mambo Bonia, your family watching.
ɛno ɛyɛ flag bearer dema ɛyɛ NDC and our say ɔno His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama de ne nsɛm no ɛnso ɛtutwa Kulun Ghana Limited yes ɔmo de hunchu capsules na bɛ no adeɛ baako ne sɛ bag Ghana kyɛ ɛnyɛ nnɛ ɛne sanka yɛ duro bi akɛkam sanka bana nka Ghana for no ɛnso ahyɛ kukura anti Kulun ɛna so yɛ dwuma bɔ prostate ɛho ban ɛma wa wo dwonso a wote ya ɛwɔ bɛm mo dwonso basa wo dana adwo betumi adwonso bɛ 3 million wa hɛ a wasora na adwo mo dwonso abonti abɛhyia samai na ko nti I was so poor who now your wardrobe. And now Mr. Q, I am a medro tatashe, and no sexual way I'm no pem. Oh, slow erection as a lowly be drowning in ano. Ebeko ebe German human so I find at Jamal. A fay Araba Zen tablet, I am medro by no, and a BCSU ama Jumedia out in ano, and so aquacama and so a Jama Araba Bazin tablet. I'm what today. I'm a sense who I will not find human so I find at Jamal. I 0244 27 5429 now on Imperifono and so and Casa and Anopay and Femi Council Lancaster Enterprise. What the one person about one personal do not be able to be on sa and so Abeka, Wama blind curtains and in the wallpapers, Wama best spread arches designs a room and sizes and so account Alaska say what about morning TV stands and a TV backlight, best lamps in the bureau, sofa covers and a decorative watches, what per plastic wardrobes and a center mat, what per PVC floor tiles. A carpet at Tibia this year, dem, MA piano, Okwa, Alaska, do be able to be on sa and so Ebeka, a bonus of that from Kama Dumhey, woman of Prudential Plaza first floor, or another Mrs. Anoche Plaza anymore, woman of Prudential Plaza and a DNM share, and I'm crying so circle, tiptoe lane, to do, Omane AMTTD, office, a DNM share 0200 2810 80 Alaska ebejo so my manager Rinas and you quick near Banama bar a bishop near a apostle ho many abana where de no okay last to come on for how pa mo frɛ pa
but I say
last to come on for frɛ pa okay the secretary na pick course oh come on
Sompa Sports. But I say, Yanko, Jarina Seba Hospital and Jarina Seba Center. Hey, fans with me, and I'm no cry from the Milk.
Miss few be a cat when you cry like
Jarinas and I do air corner from the a whole air papa paya di lupa and a aba a just so Jarinas Heba Mexa and a fe Jarinas Vico Mexa a dray bia a juma a ye. So what do free a what do fear a doom you know 12 years and above bia it's me and no me dray be. Obia want to me num be a obia onyum and now all mark quadano for lactating mothers no. Mode nyankopon ya adom na enkwala ne twa no fo a itimi enum adure bi oba no be ma enum yenum adure edisiesie ho da hia dem nyesa wo yare ansa no akonum aduru obi wo ho no oba wi aso se me de me nko hospital da me nko check up da me num aduru da ensusu da bia wo ye adwumade wo kɔ na wo ba ye kwa ye be nsusu yade ane ne ye ekɔ abusia doctor number no 0241 814 677 0241 677 Doctor number no no ye kira kwan ye wo kuma se bremai ye ne DVL ne abebie no bremai o se kodwo honom na na adjacent ntimpa cha oba bia wo bia wo pese oba ya share na oba doctor enchen no nyankopon ya adom na obepiem wo honom Dr. Jerry o honom se o hwe wo bia nanimu tse oba akrokro e chen so na ebro so yenhwe Jerry Nas Vico mixture no eye man me do tatashia aba edwa so nse duru se do wenku a meto mebu asna ma chichire mu ye e de ama ye papa nom ye nkunu nom ne ya dofo nom ehun hia me ye pa emema bebre kasa ye tintintin ewo edam a wodwe ho a wonte ase
long talk
of free edam kodia oyamopopop onya kodra dwumemu a na adane emabo eno no ne saa no na oka aduane we se obedi na oba ebi a obeba kra na ahomre bi ntimi anya no wa said that fancy no dia faso
and I said that man wife 2 series onye mutuo ne nkaten kwan no obo se na so anu aboga nani
wa hye ekosi sei enema na enkoye ebasa frustrations no edoso oba Jerry Nas Vico make sure me say Christmas ya ye be ye nyai ba ko ba na ya what ya say bibia ko ye kama entimi emfa Emma Jerry Nas Vico mixture eno na ebetimi aboa ma bema wani je etimi ewie opeye ba idea de na wotoma wukuno no na to Jerry Nas Vico mixture eno na obenya so emfaso ani wani je ama wani
de dem mu yemre
etimi ewie Jerry Nas number 0241 814 677 677 Nas number eno bema wusi misisi ya mi ya minante kakra bia na mabre me pagya bibi kakra bi na me koto a mintimi nsore ebe dai na wani je etimi akopiem ewo mpaso me se wani de nya wobrase mu enye Dr. Adwene nyina nse ye no adure fa nkompaso nko a na emom emfaso a ewo akire ene saa ade no nti wo ho na usum se oto asentiri no etwe pa when your general body pains be a wodwen ho awonti ase wo se mabeti ni mabeti memfe ni memfe bi a mikoto dwe me nan misisi twe me pa Jerry Nas Vico make sure ebeboa wo pa eyisa wo hawo ni nyina afri ho edre wo ba so ye ho no ma se de mema ne ma ne wura ho eto no aya na bo adwen ne nti ase so mo na mudi ho adanse o ena nyankopon nam so eye adwuma sa enti yeda mo ase pa se Sompa force obi on must na metie Sompa ena metie ye no chese se de na fancy kan se de na adwo e ka no na wo se me betobie na me so me koso hwe na me so bi di ho adanse pa yeda mo nyina asesa mo so mutia no ma kire mo nuanom edupa de eno ana ton no Jerry Nas oba ye nche kra na so so chese eduro na nkasa eton no edi adanse ti se wo ye bema na oba na niema nkoye emfa ema wa da bia nkase kasa tenti wo hwe entoponko eti me bai na me sabe ka kire se eduro no eda so ewodwa so eda so eye adwuma na adwuma eye nie eti doctor number no 0241 814 677 Siana enen nkasa Jerry Nas heba mecha no so de say malaria typhoid jaundice ne ade wanum ato a wuntimi ndi wuntimi enna oba wa fichikuro enkoyie kura osimebu mi nsa ba ko a na ejaye me pa acho de aka no ekofa yade ena ede abrɛw ebasa ede eniema bebre ba wadwenem eka wadwene eno no nanti duru ba bia ma no sia na me wura fiade ya na me wura fiade de ofre Dr. Abusa no mu nkyire mu na wonkyire emu ye Jerry Nas heba mecha na ema moja no ntimi ne afuru sanye ye na adwendwene na atimi asisu ye na watimi de adwempa atai bema no echi Jerry Nas heba mecha eno so ye duro pa ebwa ye ma titiru ye maidi te say ye hura tena so asom se etwe sanse oba pese wo na na fiti kro enkoya bema bebre saa nso nyinsan no entimi emma ontimi fefuru sanse nyame hyehyem nyame nyansam no oso oba bu ne nsa nanso wia efiri ho okro no okọ bema nchen wo se wotimi enyinsan de ntine ni kwa se wotimi nyinsan wo se wotimi nyinsan na wo mo fiti kro na mu emma ebeda na wotimi akwa fefuru no afa ye maame no so so amodu mani posna da bia na ye ho kekaye ye ho hyehye na mutim ho afa ni ma ensem fata maame fo bebre nya mani posama ye bo mo baye because kasa ne doso ensem bi wo ho ni kwa se piefiri wo ma no ba nanso enya wo mo a ahohyehye no ne nkyese ba bia okọ gina no eno ena ede ba Jerry Nas enro heba mixture ena afa Vico mixture no ebeboa pa ama asumdwe aba enipadua no se dem di kan ye no ye kyerɛ kwan no ye wo breman ye ne DVL no ena ye adjacent ye number no ye fre Dr. Jerry na dia wonti ase bia no ene ne kasa wo pɛ dodo atu se wo pɛ baako se wo pɛ bia nom ewo fia na wo pɛ bia ma mofra na ko school no number no 0241 814 677 814 na onso oho ento ye duro ne ye bo ne mrane se ebibidrum commando enti se obeye commando a age se wonom Jerry Nas Vico mixer me da mo ase da
obe shutu rough
pa
o mpem a just onum day
Jerry Nas Vico mixer
that's right
that's
bronya yi omo mfa na hongo no so
Debi
open wig ba open free me ma wig now so am Vico mixer
yes
okay that Uni abani uni nyabinko wo yemre na fe yemre meto aso apostle ma mention sim free way na ka so mo cars na ba oh okay so promises Obama Division 1 class ni bi na
we apologize to Ghana for say the national team man say we go ye ni masi It's important. The priorities, I mean, I'm not interested in this for now. No, it's not important priority for now.
And also let it go.
I'm not saying that. No, me can't say man can't say. I'm saying that.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
But you understand PR very well. This will not change the narrative discussion.
This is what you're saying.
Because look, for an FA president that failed to be the commander in chief of our national team, our Libya, where we needed him most. As we speak, why such irresponsible act was committed. We need that explanation. The West one, a blaster Ephraim, young qualify for AFCON. You need to be apologizing and explaining Nema a course when tia yanko. Any yeko inimnu. And I'm more for so on in penny for number 2. I bet me aboa. Your football now, Siciano, I suffer a heavy nosedive. So those things as we speak, that's the most important. Look here, we're not the time. There are a lot of things that are going on. When the Black Star, your most flagship product, say yeah, dear. It affects them. Black Stars, Black Stars just sponsorship.
Sompa Sports.
League no sunyebi. So Black Stars and Kuya, forget about anything. It's your most important product of this nation, not a product of the FA. Can't afford their holding in trust. And so, Bibi says here, I mean, 2014, that's 20 years. Now, baby, a football, a bit do any a call final. AFCON, the team call final 2010, call 2015. 2019 was our lowest from 2007 ever. Yes. So, Bibi, this is so serious to the extent that Nyama and Namwe saw two new penny for no ebesre Ghana for say opa mucho one ye we the opa jomo yamfa obonincho. That has not been done. Don't come and be displaying. We must say here be we are trans bus name. I'm not saying it's not important, it is, but your priorities. I don't think that bus presentation is more important than the major issue at stake. Why the blaster failed to qualify. Wona yedi adena she unsem. Bebun kunta etre se. Adena yedi she unsem no wanye ni yi. Na mom ekwa niema esisi a wanye ni yi ni. Na sama ye hu se wo se fata se san fan she unsem ye ko yi ni mana. Because I saw chair say ekwa we na mefa so a mesua nyansa mesua nsuon we fi we mu me ko ye ko yi ni mu. When those things that not be done, don't be showing these things. And we are see Sebio good leaders, name time and season and know when to prioritize events. Yes, I hope it's ODD attempt, Debbie. Look,
winning
Ghana crowd have fun and none attack about the president. Listen, if we're a serious nation, every president should have been hauled now. Before even the House of Parliament to go, is there Parliament city? Minister. Yes. Yes. But because the Minister of Sports can say you cry. It's a serious matter. But you know the way I have fan my leaders no fan matrantia. We are not talking about Congo. This Ghana Black Star not qualified for AFCON. A country that consistently, our AFCON consistently. 2-8, yeah, but 2-8. Because the Ivorian second generation, I show more 10 plus 2-8. Not that Kasuli, I think. What's Suli? Quincy also be how the dazzle of Bavaria Sports Cinema. Our West was semi-final, 2010 cup final, 2012 semi-final, 2013 semi-final. 2013 semi-final only is just Joma Makano. At the minute of the Omani Bob around this operation, which I call share semi-final, said Nema Kumu Papa for us to get to the final. Nema Kumu Papa.
Oh no, some quentas. To one is
So we've been there. 2015 I be call final. Even 2017 when the semi-final. When generation so I'm saying that and now better 2019 you see normalization. Normalization where runners the last time won in Guinea-Bissau 2-0. Now Spartas goes right. 9 young qualify a major setback that need a sober reflection on Brassier from the FA. Led by the president because Ono Ena Sebi all leading Ghana football. No Makado.
About this time, the more campaign.
Why? Ghana 4-year campaign. Ghana 4-year campaign. Ghana 4-year campaign. Maybe so Ghana 4-year campaign. Aban no nyani dia na football no ye neti ye Ghana 4-year dia. Aban be back up by Ghana 4-year. You understand me? So you address the press. Ghana 4 no address to the central for. Nema ye hu. And sit talk and say e dia nema o choose na 20 over the Black Stars. Or presence would have done something significant. The chairman of the management committee, Aden now, Sam Renono, Aden Namunama abandon ship where matters most. What we needed the most. Commander, look, as a son of an army officer, we are commander now abandon who troops are. You are finished. And so, who abandon or more, who jaw more, so who should take care of them? Because untimi kwa only commander. Debbie, a platoon must always have a commander. So we went to Libya without a commander. What do you expect? Slaughtering. That's what Sudan did. And so there were a lot of questions, you need answers. The only person that may provide the answer is the president of the Ghana Football Association. He has to provide the answers. Until he does that, any other thing he has to see. Because we need to know from the Amuye. And say bisa questions, and you need to provide the answers. So if that is not done, any other thing, enfant. It's about time your leader will hold them to account for their stewardship. So the president of the Ghana Football Association should understand that he owes it as a duty to Ghana to explain to us why Ghana failed to qualify. Why we lost 2 games at Barbara, the famous Black Stars home, Barbara, and Accra Sports Stadium. Why we lost to a country in Sudan, Omu League and Kosu. They are not playing league. How can we lose to such a country? He need to come explain to her. And they are not going to the preparation. They will start with coaching. We start with appointment. Who ask all those questions? And they know who here. Me, day one, I told you, say Otuado is not qualified for this job. On any day, say we've been around though. Otuado is not qualified for this job. May come from day one.
Yes.
I've said I'll be consistent. Because on true he doesn't have what it takes. And you'll be an urban national team that is always a good.
Shadrach Kemai exception of 2008 AFCON.
Masa.
And we'll share too much.
Masa. We want to share a better term. You will look it down. The technical gap between that and then Hey. Would there be one John Mensa? Why not Bamano?
ACM.
Also why?
ACM. Oh. Antonia Nanum.
Oh, Masa Menkoini. Oh, the late Junior Gogo. Oh, the ladies man. Masa, the Ivorian team near Shawano is the second generation Ivorian team, top class Ivorian team. Yeah? Look, where?
Stadium Bomber.
We're in Nigeria, Accra. We're in Nigeria. In Nigeria.
Yeah.
One day. In Nigeria. Check your man. Masa.
Agogo.
Junior. Because they were quality. You know.
Across the face.
Quality. Yeah. They're free. Oh, this gentleman. It's unfortunate. The Black Stars were a delight. So, me see, Adia me who yet 2010. Emma Mills said,
Sompa Sports.
Ghana all love their Black Stars. When we beat US by US,
yeah,
Accra, can't na Kamba, traffic was jammed, circle, there was no vehicle moving. It took me from GBC, Minimum over 3 hours. See, be and call number. And listen, you don't joke with this thing, this product.
Wow.
Bishop Bray.
Okay, so Bass Naba. Because I'm deflected into the person of Beckham Assembly. Beckham Sam Kakra. Bass, we own some Senate here. And Kumasi Congress now a great hall and I feel president. A be share bo say the person or my clubs no and no. Na ye be share sabono. Now ye call Congress. I show you bomodia na you every so. Na ye call sending a share no hona. Congress no mo ye o pram no na FA president. E be kan Bass no nsem. Oda ma mumi nti de okan.
In Kumasi, I spoke about our new bus acquisition strategy. And just like I promised in Kumasi, the first 13 buses have arrived in Ghana. We have problems clearing those buses from the ports. We've sought support from governments. We hope the support will come. But our base remains the same. We will deliver the buses to our 9 Division 1 clubs and our 4 women Premier League clubs.
Nti Bass ni be dru ye no. Honsem na Omanpanyin, the President of the Football Republic, His Excellency Ketias Okraku, editor Congress anim no. Bass ben the initial Bass if you e de catch clubs no say omo de brown no na 35 seater Bass. Say be nya picture na.
Okay.
Any.
Okay, so we na omo klasenka teams ne benya no.
Say ebeba.
Okay.
Oko omo GFA Bass strategy document na omo chema members of Congress na who Bass no ho.
Ewo form no.
Patcho so 35 seater Bass. Bass ni be dru yi. E be dru ye no. Eno ho asem na president Eka say o. Na abedru na omo akwa aban ho senka omo no ntimi claim free port.
Yeah. Duty was true.
Na omo koye no boy a anyi aban na mfi om. Jeff susu ni sika omo de be yi Bass no. Nti akoye nsem bebre. Na Jeff free aban ho. E call the VIP transport company. So omo nanka omo nyi won Basses no emma won. Na VIP a decline here. So eventually a private company believed to be OA Travels.
Okay.
And a GF ni omo koe ekudi nkomo a omo boa omo ema omo yi Basses. Na omo yi Bass no omo fa Basses ni nyina. And omo ma GF these Basses.
Mebo. So company no mum a clear Basses no ma the Ghana Football Association. Oman clama oman clear ama FA. Bomum clarify.
They costed the Basses everything together due to any Basses.
Okay.
And then they decided to replace it with this for them. Nti enye Bass na ye advertise it say eba no. Enu mum ne buy. Nti ye kok we Hyundai na ye de ma om enye 35 seater na om ka tro mo. Omanpanyin ka tro say the cost of those Basses 570,000 Ghana cedis. That's 5.7 billion titiscano for these 35 seater buses. But then the way any brand new bus, a second hand bus.
Home use na bia.
Baby see Madina, a ho ena branding. Ya shada ko fa ho. E ko twa pictures ni bi ansa ena no mo dia bi stadium. The president of the FA at the Emma 9 Division 1 teams, top 3 in each zone. And then Women's Premier League no 4. And so ebenya na nye honkwa area at the end of this season no so 5 ebeba na sa 5 na ebema Division 1 zone 1 na 3 na ma Premier League no so 2. And that's the situation with the buses. The original buses that were supposed to come, we had to go into an arrangement with a private transport company. So that's the background and that's a context behind the GFA buses. But all in all, the president has fulfilled his campaign promise to the clubs. He's giving them transportation. I'm going to media free baby, ako baby, basake Holy Stars or bus. Bus no so nya de ombi tu ahonka.
Get it show.
My will is a GFA as an entity. Sika omu good them cash reserves are one over 14 million Ghana cedis. Yeah. Into Wadarma. That is a bus no common. Saying it here from the original 35, the one advertised to the clubs to this one, and the president of the Football Republic. And the among ways to say, as in Toyota Coaster.
Okay.
Let's be mindful. We need a Hyundai and a Hyundai. Send your Mokano. Timira, the ambassador no one sem no. I just said the tier and so we moved from here and then we went on to the so I'm say the a woman. Number 2. George Free and then in summer or Kafa Otuado. You know, Kwesiapia, ye pamon, because Okwa Afcon of round of 16 and into the extending the contract. Milova Robach or the ball Sika could not qualify as in the Kakra. And they call Cameroon of group stage. Ye pamon. Chris Hilton a ball qualifies. A qualify for ball group stage in the Afcon. Ye pamon. But Otuado has not even qualified at all. He is worse than the other guys we just mentioned.
Otuado?
Yeah. It's the Jeff can mean any agree. The Jeff can mean any agree. In any serious dispensation, especially when he has a clause in that contract, if it be KPI, key performance indicator, he has failed it. Wa failing, he's failed. Inti se kwesi adman kotena heads. No, even before an ex committee, no, say this is not the right time to sack Otuado. It is a decision they've taken when is the right time.
Yes,
although nothing will happen, say nothing will happen, Mira. They won't sack anybody. They have failed, the coach has failed. This is the lowest any national team can get. There will be no sacking. Why do I want him out? These are my reasons. Sure. Before Ghana ni mali bebono, na players na ba na be 9 or 10, na no mo training wa. Na Jordan wo bi. Say players na kan be ba so mu nyamba. That was there na Otuado catch Jordan say, "Wahwe mali for no nti no match na mo kone de, obe free bench e na aba." Indeed, obe free bench so na buy and obe share winning goal.
Yeah.
Now this is where my worry is. On a coach, on the Majuma singing and players and singing. You give him the benefit of the doubt. Players no munya mai. Already you are making concessions. Say be a me. But they making sort.
Okay, let's just anchor number now opening the Obobosa position now.
What would you do?
I think I'll be catch Jordan say on start.
Ni pay and our cost players UK one country. A China friend of Fonso in the Kasai. Told him he'll be captaining Ghana in the Sudan game. Press conference, I see. And now Kasa Kudus never captain. Wore him the 10 jersey. When Ninuya and retire, most of them retire. Jordan Ninuya and retire. His management and communication with the players is bad. Your players no more memorable, your coach in India. Let's accept it. He's the reason why the boys actually Monasi. Pate feels disrespected. Okasa boys ni binti Black Stars no mpanyimfo na chichim nti na ebi mu mbubi no. Endra, I made reference to one name. I'll reference again. He told Nicolas Opoku say or League 2. Nti opeso ohwe League 1 players na ne omo top leagues no kakra. Na mreso a na form ne bobe sama na ba. Only for him to go ahead and make a call up no afraid a player from League 2. What message you send to the player? Fancy, away from there. The day are you need no? I mean, only Kasai. And our chain Musa baby you want to move on from away from him. Of course, Afcon coin and crown on your starter. On say any club. Now he starts to play. Washe go against Lorient. Washe against PSG. Then you call him again to tell him, say, your decision remains unchanged. Then the player later decides to call you. Abroad, say Romeo Ricky Roy, or for Ebisa say he's part of the team. He's your coach. And also, your contribution be normal de manana. Or no, baby, then the coach was telling him, But still, he should understand that his position on him in the national team remains unchanged.
But football reasons, you know, Frey.
Oh, a more physical trainer now. And no, Frey coach in the business say,
yeah, it's also no discussing.
So, on those occasions, after PSG in Lorient game, you demotivated him. He's bringing an issue different from footballing reasons. There you go again. Onu bedin komo ene, he will do the next thing. Everybody around the national team knows this. Look, tell us where Otuado was paid $50,000 for being a coach. Let's be serious. Where? Now he says Ghanaians hate him. It's hatred that comes from outside and they affect you. Why did you take our job? Is it for the money? Yes, some of our brothers reacted and went overboard. It's part of the emotions of this game because you people do worse. Anything against the law, you moved onto the pitch when Jerry Free scored. But beyond that, have you demonstrated to us, say you are capable of leading a national team? No, baby, I'm out for a call, my failing. What can I do? We are paying you this kind of money with that kind of job security. And people think we can ask questions.
So for now, Baba Jiska Kesian,
Obi contract length, any sika. We've never given some to anybody.
Not even Milovan.
No. Fancy no. Obi anywhere Yaman is cut to sell to Ado. Ghana Abako same with coaching in the Black Stars. Yen said the IUBA. Normally, Dabena what is a Ghana players 8. Almost mobile. Personal reasons. Or catch Joseph Pencil says not all about goals and assists. Yebeko World Cup. Otuado is back in the saddle. Your friend Joseph Pencil, some boy about my catch for personal reasons. Untimimba. What are those personal reasons? Fancy a Black Stars players, no. Some boy born no mu preampoa. Then you serious giddy. Or met not team no. They will stay around with the boys. So no money now. And then what do you see?
Sports. What was the state?
Yeah. We pray about he was in the
team. As if he was
in the team.
To it.
No, we pray. But he was with the team. Fancy. Fatao we pray and power. But who won it? Shatabandel pictures. He went away. Ordinarily, he would be with his friends.
Effort to be in the camp, you know.
Jordan, quick. Oko. Our players are not happy being in our
national.
It's so simple. It's so true.
It's so true. Serious because until any meeting we are you better be biana.
Biana obeti ye the pass na ma na ye to aso bibia be kana.
Well, Qualitac Dental Clinic ese brana woman show kakanema braces orthodontics and scan and x-ray cleaning and polishing and abeso ye dental implants crown and as bridges. I was send on say utu no wase no foforo no aye Qualitac Dental Clinic and yamau udru patasi aketri amagement building emo and omo ye adwuma e wo patasi wo 0538250078 na Qualitac and so enjoy so Jean's toothpaste, Jean's toothbrush, our Jasso and Yana, Jean's total care, Jean's whitening, and Jean's hairball. And one of the truth say, Wanum, ebe sham, a fay, ebe jam minty fresh breath, ebe bo say, and o gam and o bang, and Yana, Udru Jasso also pe Jean's, one toothpaste and a toothbrush, and one is a busuani in an ababe busuan for beer, and so a Zubi. Yanfa course na 0551 931 931 0548 931 Hello, caller.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir, Penny, yet you.
That's let me tell me.
Yeah, Joseph.
I'm not about so you mata nyaka bukune akonyamoye. For me have the theater, but fancy that of the body feeling a claim. Nevenka, and we have no china. I can go then how many time there 1 hour. Mr. Minister of Media by number 1 hour. Because you know I'm Muslim. You know, Muslim. Yes, sir. I don't know 1 hour. Something that's what we say. Enjoy the
Mate, yeah, see. So bye. Hello, caller.
The great fancy.
Yes, sir. I need you.
I'm here. Assemblyman for Baba Cope. And I come up in Guy, and I'm out just a cake and yet. But my penny was dinner. So my Puna Ghana, who can't do
So it's a gun of a men no Valentine for just getting at the German begin also your phone. That's okay. As I'm going to go on my father just a waiting team. As I had to move
Whoa, hello. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, opening into.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, Joso, it's you.
Now, I last time I sent this guy can go to another. Now, the only 8 times. If you get nice and put someone can call down to any apprehension because you can't. Every time I go ahead, no, you're out.
Mate, yes, what I say. Hello. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning, NTO.
That's all. You qualified.
More shots here. The update in the why? Yami much now. Why? And now, Crano Sank no penny back with Dinkum. Yami admire the resource in the home. Some beba. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. NTO.
Please, something. You see that children in the future travel. Both of them are arrogant. They need to be arrested. Okay.
Both of them are. Oh, that be women so oh, that be unfortunate, Mr. Mumfanche. Oh, Miss, I'm a point my jack course in the foul. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. What's it? Until day. Young good black stars. Okay. Whoa, Mate Yemfado Chatway. Hello. Whoa. Hello, caller. Everybody chatway. Yes, sir. It's you. Yes, sir. It's you. All right.
Kakra ye de wo you are kid but you are the call it is the important ba the SSU nice to ya was you are kept the day work like a clear ye can say you are manado okay so let's to the papa what plan fight you the fuck one man you but that's the disappointment because we are there but no kind of don't back the wall love na way love na young family na way la ya not the papa kono ba ko ko abege ko ko na wa fi ya we ni ya no ko pa o ya be ka ko ba won pa ya ko mi ma
yeah, that's it. Yeah, Benet, yeah, Panty, and quick. Yes, so quick one. Happy birthday to Nana Ma way from Escobar. Escobar Jetta say Nana Ma show happy birthday. Happy birthday going out to Deborah and your birthday. Awadapa Anna M say wa budwa phone or busia phone no and so reshe ede amount. And also to Amanda Boachi Yadom, Quara so NMTC, where from Moreno, and I say yeah show a happy birthday. Yes, also news and so and it was so